everybody. Eat what you want Sunday, yes. Excuse, I ain't got the teeth in at the minute. I just thought I'd give you a little update on my exercises, on my weight loss sort of plan thing, before I show you what I'm having for my dinner on a Sunday. I have burnt this week, doing my rucking with my rucksack on, I burnt 3,950 extra calories. That's just rucking. And my miles, I have done 20 miles, dead on 20 miles extra walking. I haven't counted my steps or anything, because I'm not really interested in that really. It's just about getting fit to start with. And I weighed myself this morning, and I've lost, dead on, £5 in 1 week. I know a lot of that's going to be water, but I'm chuffed with that, £5 in a week. It's been a bit of hard work. Monday I done 4.12 mile. Tuesday I done 3.88 mile. Wednesday I done 3.89 mile. Thursday I done 3.74 mile. Friday I done 2.47 because we had to go out. So I just done a short one. And Saturday, my legs were literally in bits. So I just went out walking without my backpack on, and I done 1.9 mile. So that's what I've done, guys, over the week. I feel a lot better fit already. But it's Sunday today, so I aim for the Sunday to eat what I want, whatever I fancy, I can actually have on a Sunday. So whether it's burgers or whatever, you know what I mean? Whatever I want on a Sunday, I'm going to have. So today, we're going to be having cheese and potato pie, really fancy one with some beans. So I put them with potatoes, so let me show you. And I've got myself a new light, guys. I got a little lamp side light. I got another one coming today. I've ordered 2, and I think the colour looks a lot better. Instead of me getting all my big lighting out, which is an absolute pain, and I'm always tripping over. And I think it's lighting up pretty well, which I'll see when I edit it anyway. It's quite good actually, it's only 20 quid a light. And you can go different angles and you can bring it across and you know what I mean, and all that stuff, and I can just move it when I need to, which I think is a lot better. Anyway, potatoes. I've got Mavis Piper potatoes, all peeled, in there, 2 kg that is. We got some tomatoes. I'm going to have Cathedral City, guys. I don't usually buy Cathedral, but I'm having it today because it's a special day for me. And I've also got 2 small onions, just sliced and diced. So it's nice and easy. First things first, if you want to get, this will be more like a little vlog thing, sort of thing. You get what I mean? Just won't be nothing special. We're going to get the potatoes boiling. And while they're boiling, I'm going to grate all my cheese. There we go, all done. So just waiting for the potatoes, guys. Cheese is all done now. Onions. And as for this is, I do quite like this actually. It's got, I think it's 5 different settings. Changes colours, you can do what you want. You know, it's got different temperatures and you can go higher and lower and you can adjust it and put it down like that. It'd be good, I'll tell you, if you have to some sort of table lamp for reading or something like that, it's a good old light. For 21 quid, a Lead Pro I think it's called or something, from Amazon. And I say I bought 2, so then I can put one over here. So when I'm cooking I ain't gonna move anything around then. That's my plan anyway. Potatoes are done. We'll get them drained out. Yeah, get them back in there, guys. We're going to get some butter in. Well, I've only got Marge. So we're going to get some butter in. And a bit more. Because it's eat what you want on a Sunday. We're going to put the lid on. We'll get that like a minute or 2. And start mashing, guys. Start your mash. More butter if you need. Bit of milk if you want. I'm not going to put any milk in. I'm just going to do mash. I might put a little bit more butter in, some pepper, which I'll whack some pepper in now actually. I prefer pepper than salt meat. Bit more butter. I say when it's eat what you want Sunday, I don't mean I can literally eat everything and anything. Well, I can, but obviously you've got to be moderation, ain't you, as well? You know what I mean? Right, let's incorporate the cheese. Handful at a time. Well, a couple of handfuls. Get some in. Get it mashing up. You want it cheesy. You've got to have it cheesy, guys. That's the idea, cheese and potato pie. More cheese. We'll incorporate the onions. And just keep mashing to get a nice, smooth, cheesy mash. You can put what you want in these, really. I mean, you can do put some English mustard in that if you want. You know, get the flavours. Oh, that's smelling nice now. Want to keep a bit of cheese for the top. Get myself a bowl. I don't know if I think that bowl might be too small. I can do this one, yeah. Without being in the way of the camera. Oh yes, look at that. That's what you call proper mash, guys. Just flies out. We will get a fork and we'll cut some what are called tomatoes up. We'll pack it with tomatoes at the top, eh? Tomatoes on. It's not being cooked yet, guys. I am watching the football. I am watching Liverpool lift the trophy. So when you see us eating this, it'll probably be 7 o'clock at night or something like that, because I'm trying to, if I can do a day ahead, I haven't got to have my dinner too early then to get it uploaded. I've got to go up to the shop and get tomatoes, which I'm really looking forward to, which you'll see probably Tuesday. Some extra cheese. I'm going to leave that to cool down and it's going to go in the fridge. Let's put that one on and all. There we go. Oh, yes. Okay, guys. The cheese and potato pie is in the oven. It's got about 5 minutes to go. So I'm going to do my beans now. Just watch Liverpool lift the League Cup. The Premier League. I'm having a teaspoon of Old Bay, guys, in the old beans. Lovely. I was just editing a bit of video earlier, the one I done earlier, and that light was a little bit bright. You can't really tell until you put it on your PC and edit, so I've just turned it down a bit. So it's a bit of a trial and error, really, trying to get the right sort of lightness. Right, we'll let them beans do. I will get the good old cheese and potato pie out. I'm absolutely starving as well today. I'm hungry now. So I've usually had my dinner by now. But, oh yes. Delicious cheese and potato pie. It's going to have to cool down for a minute anyway, just while the beans are doing. Okay, it's dish up time. Let's get it on the plate. About there, I reckon. Something like that, eh? Oh, let's get this out. Let's get it out, guys. Good old cheese and potato pie with beans. Oh, yes. We will pour some beans over it. Good old classics, ain't they, these? Good old British classics. And I will be squirting a little bit of brown sauce over mine. Oh yes, proper English grub, guys. Right, let's get on the table and let's eat it. So, let's tuck in, babe. Let's tuck in. Starving. Oh. Love a cheese and potato pie, guys. Love a cheese and potato pie. Oh yeah, yeah.
It's really nice, that is, thank you.
Yes. Oh. Yeah, I haven't had any sort of sweet stuff this week at all. Nothing. No chocolates. Haven't even had a pack of crisps, have I, Bab?
No.
Oh, that's delicious. Ugh. That is delicious, guys. You okay?
Yeah, I got something stuck in my teeth down.
I got some stuck in your hoof. Ugh. I mean, I think everybody likes cheese and potato pie, don't they? They've got to do it, ain't they? They've got to do. And these beans with that old bay, delicious, ain't it?
Yeah, they're nice. I won't say they're delicious because
Yeah, 'cause you don't like beans, but they're
I'm not
better
like
for you,
keen
ain't
on
they?
beans, yeah.
You'll eat them when they've got that old bay in, won't you?
Yeah.
Ooh.
And I know people might find that weird, but
Oh, I'm really enjoying this. I've been looking forward to this all week. Oh, all them flavours like that. Oh, it's great. Oh, it's hard when you first. I suppose it gets easier, doesn't it? But it's hard at the beginning. I'm trying to bloody rabbit food and that. You know what I mean? It's not like this, is it?
no, you've done well though.
I don't know.
Yeah, you've done well.
I had a delicious yesterday. I had a delicious pan-fried cod. I didn't do a video of it, should have. I might have it again this week. Pan-fried cod with on a bed of mushy peas. And it was delicious.
What did I have?
You had an omelette.
Oh yeah, I had an omelette.
Oh yeah. So guys, there we go. I'm gonna go and eat it. It's just one of I've also got which might please our Nat. I've hid it.
That's in the packaging.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Black Forest Gatto. Because it's Eat Anything Sunday. I'm having a slice of that and all. Till next week. Won't go to waste because I'll have to eat all that. Till the next time, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.